Hello traders, and welcome. In this video, I want to walk you through something that's often overlooked in trading systems, yet it has a massive impact on your profitability, risk control, and long-term success. I'm talking about position sizing. We'll be using a live NinjaTrader setup on the NQ September 2025 contract, displayed on a 200-tick chart, with real-time market data. The strategy I'm demonstrating today is called Position Sizing System, and its sole focus is helping you take better control of your trades through intelligent, adaptable sizing. Before we dive into the position sizing systems, let me tell you a bit about the strategy setup. We're working with 5 days of loaded historical data. The strategy is attached to a chart of the NQ September 2025 contract, but it actually places all its trades on the ES September 2025 contract. The take profit is set to 25 ticks, and the stop loss is set to 20 ticks. Over the test period, the strategy places 92 trades in total, 50 long and 42 short, averaging about 27 trades per day. It trades around the clock, 24 hours a day. And even before activating any of the position sizing systems, it already shows a positive result, with a profit factor of 1.20. This system increases the contract size after every losing trade. Once a winning trade occurs, it resets the size back to the base level. Let's take a look at how it performs compared to the baseline. Before enabling the Martingale system, the strategy shows a net profit of around $2,350. And a profit factor just above 1.20. Now, we activate the Martingale system and set the maximum number of contracts to 4. We'll begin by resetting the size at the start of each session. With session-based resets, net profit climbs to nearly $8,000. And the profit factor improves to about 1.42. Next, we switch the reset condition to once per day. With daily resets, net profit comes in at approximately $7,000. With a profit factor holding around 1.34. As you can see, this system delivers significant performance gains, but also comes with increased exposure. It accelerates recovery after drawdowns by scaling up during losing streaks. That's why we've included options to reset the sizing each session or each day, allowing you to choose how aggressively the system compounds losses. This system increases the contract size after each winning trade. If a losing trade occurs, or when a defined contract size cap is reached, it resets back to the base size. It's designed to reward momentum phases while avoiding increased exposure during losing streaks. Even before enabling it, the strategy is already profitable, but let's see how much this system can improve the results. We begin by enabling the Streak Builder system and setting a contract cap. First, we use the option to reset the size at the start of each session. With session-based resets, net profit climbs to around $5,050. And the profit factor improves to about 1.27. Next, we change the reset condition to once per day. With daily resets, net profit settles near $4,290. And the profit factor comes in at approximately 1.22. This system shines when your strategy tends to win in bursts or streaks. It captures that momentum by scaling into strength, and quickly steps back when market conditions shift. This system adjusts the position size in both directions. It adds one contract after each winning trade. And subtracts one contract after each losing trade. Once a defined contract size target is reached, it resets back to the base size. Unlike other models that respond only to wins or losses, this one continuously adapts to your trading rhythm, allowing for smoother, more controlled exposure. Let's take a look at the results, starting with the option to reset each session. With session-based resets, net profit rises to around $5,570, and the profit factor improves to approximately 1.27. Now let's switch to daily resets. With daily reset, net profit is closer to $4,050. And the profit factor moderates to about 1.19. This system performs especially well in choppy or mixed market environments, where adjusting both up and down helps keep your exposure aligned with real-time strategy performance. It's ideal for traders looking for measured, responsive growth, without overcommitting during uncertainty. This system increases the contract size by 1 after each winning trade, up to a predefined cap. Once that cap is reached, it locks the position size, holding that maximum level until a loss occurs. When a loss hits, the system resets back to the base size. It's designed to preserve gains while maintaining consistent position sizing during strong performance phases. Let's take a look at the results using 2 different reset conditions. First, with the setting to reset at the start of each session. Net profit reaches around $5,990, and the profit factor improves to approximately 1.29. Now switching to the option to reset once per day. Net profit comes in near $5,230. And the profit factor lands around 1.25. This system is an excellent fit for trending or stable market conditions. It allows you to capitalize on strength, lock in exposure when it matters most, and scale down only when the trend breaks. Now that we've tested all 4 position sizing systems using the same strategy logic and in the same market conditions, let's summarize what we've learned. Even though the base strategy was already profitable, with around $2,350 in net profit and a profit factor just over 1.20, enabling these sizing systems made a clear difference. Let's break down what the results reveal. Martingale delivers the highest performance, but it also comes with higher volatility and increased drawdown risk. It works best when paired with strong filters or in very controlled conditions. Streak Builder and Progressive Load both offer solid improvements, with more balanced risk profiles. These are ideal for traders looking for a middle ground between caution and growth. Drawdown Lock is a great hybrid. It locks in strength and only resets after a loss, making it a powerful option for trend-driven or stable market phases where consistent exposure pays off. And one final point worth noting, the choice between session resets and daily resets really does matter. Session resets are more responsive, they enhance performance by reacting more quickly. Daily resets offer greater stability and help limit overtrading, especially in volatile environments. In the end, the best system depends on your strategy, your market, and your risk profile. But now you've seen exactly how each one behaves, and how much position sizing alone can transform your results. Thanks for watching. You've just seen firsthand how 4 different position sizing systems, all using the same entries and exits, can lead to dramatically different trading outcomes. From aggressive recovery, to smooth scaling, to locked-in strength, each system has its place depending on your trading style, risk appetite, and the market environment you're working with. Now imagine combining these systems, customizing them for different market conditions, or integrating them into your own strategy logic. That's the real power of having full control over position sizing. If you found this video helpful, or if you're looking for tools that give you more precision and control in execution, head over to my Buy Me a Coffee page. You'll find exclusive tools, including this strategy, supporter-only articles and performance breakdowns, and real-world logic for traders, not just backtesters. Thanks again for watching. Trade smart. Size smarter. And I'll see you in the next one.